Welcome to the video newsletter for clients of Index Gurus Wealth Management. Hello, this is Farouk Jaffer, Certified Financial Planner Professional and Head of Index Gurus Wealth Management. The coronavirus shock has triggered an acceleration of key structural trends. As a result, I will discuss the impact of the last quarter, reasons for caution, upcoming trends, and how we are positioning portfolios for success. The last quarter was marked by companies declaring exceptional corporate profits. At the end of September, we started to see supply chain problems, where the impact is not enough goods on the shelves, and this affects consumer spending and manufacturing because there's still a big order backlog. As a result, we expect growth to continue, but not at the same bullish pace. More companies last quarter beat earnings, more than ever before. We haven't seen this type of performance in over a decade. Given that expectations are going to be hard to beat next quarter, we are going to give more weight to quality companies that have sound fundamentals and valuation. The outlook for the upcoming quarter is positive for three reasons. The medical situation around COVID-19 will continue to improve. Hiring should continue to be strong, which helps confidence in spending. With strong balance sheets and revenue, businesses should keep hiring and investing. There are three upcoming risks that will fuel volatility in the next quarter. A new round of infection is possible given the new variant, which may affect employment, the potential for higher U.S. taxes, and the U.S.-China relationship that is defined by greater competition and less cooperation. Megatrends are powerful, transformative forces that can change the trajectory of the global economy by shifting the priorities of societies, driving innovation, and redefining business models. They can have a meaningful impact on spending behavior, government policies, and corporate strategies. Identifying the potential for structural change and transformations early can be a key driver of successful investing. Technology breakthroughs like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation are unleashing a wave of disruptive threats across industries. Did you know that more than 75 billion internet-connected devices are expected by 2025? And that is up from 30 billion today. Climate change will cause us to have a greater dependency on clean energy like solar. Did you know that half of the world's energy is predicted to come from solar and wind by 2050? Certain commodities such as copper and lithium will likely see increased demand from the drive to net zero, and we are overweight the tech center and believe that it's well positioned for this green transition. Another major trend are longer lifespans and a larger demographic of retirees in their 60s. Did you know some estimates project a 45% increase worldwide in people aged 60 or older by 2030? With new technology comes the responsibility of privacy and cybersecurity. The Colonial Pipeline story is the perfect example. Did you know corporate spending on cybersecurity to counter online threats is rising quickly, up 12% from last year? Index Gurus is positioning our clients in three ways. The vaccine rollout will shape the global restart, so we are heavy on countries like the United States and United Kingdom. We are investing in companies that are leaders, disruptors, and innovators for trends shaping our future. Lastly, Index Gurus is overweight on quality companies with strong balance sheets. What if we enter a recession? It is possible that this may occur, but keep in mind that the average recession lasts 13.3 months, while the average expansion lasts 60.3 months. Given our societal changes, it makes sense to tilt a diversified portfolio in various sectors. Why not just put it all in an IT or a QQQ? You'll notice that IT, the orange color, has held the top spots only in the past 4 years. Other top sectors include consumer discretionary in red and communication services light blue. This will change over time, so holding top companies in various sectors is important. It is so important to practice diversification, even though it sometimes feels painful and comes with FOMO, fear of missing out. Morningstar did a study comparing two portfolios over the past 20 years, comparing a growth portfolio to a diversified portfolio with 40% in income securities. As you can see, you would have actually come out ahead with a diversified portfolio. Focus on your goals and not the news. Index Gurus is going to make sure you are well positioned in great companies that will weather the coronavirus pandemic. With proper positioning and guidance, the chances that you will be in the green, in the positive after 1 year are 75% in your favor. The US has shown that they are willing to keep the economy humming, so it makes sense to stay invested. Thank you in advance for your trust. You can count on Index Gurus to help you reach your goals with financial peace of mind.